Alright, we're done. Everything's seated, put back together. We made a little landing around the customer's propane tank for that chair to hide it. And there are the stone steps. Customer also had some old hitching posts, so we set those in, kind of tie everything together. And here's the patio. Customer has already decorated it, or started to. Got some chairs, a table, cool little chicken sculpture. Chair or the swing. The lawn's all fixed. A couple weeks from now, grass will be up. It'll kind of look like we were never here.